Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Series 2 in Velvet Red Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, quadra lift air suspension, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 9,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjv.com, stock number P8527.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.